how to enable or disable text messages suggested actions on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the text messages app. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top corner. Then we scroll down and tap on messages settings. In here, we scroll down and tap on suggestions and actions. After that, we go down and tap on actions. Then tap on the toggle button right next to suggested actions. Tap on the toggle to turn it off or switch it on. When it is turned on, sometimes your text will show relevant shortcuts to calendar, GIF search, share location, and more. So depending on the text of message and what the app detects, it will provide suggestions. Okay, so turn it on, and then if you go to your conversation, so from time to time, you will see suggestions appears right next to the text. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.